main event was created, I wanted to bring together that community vibe again, not just the skills clinics, because the skills clinics are great and there's good energy and we learn and community, but then bringing a whole group of women together at all ability levels into a place like Washougal. This place is magical. There's so many options, so many places to ride here, and to have a couple hundred women come together, it's just different. There's just nothing else like it.
Clutch control.
Yeah?
Yeah, just basic like lightening the front end, trying to get that feel for basic wheelies and getting over obstacles. Cornering, clutch control, everything, having fun. Yes, yes, yes!
Since I'm such a beginner, it can be so intimidating to go out to a track that's like regularly open and learn there. It's like kind of overwhelming. So just having this whole track for Dirtastic and then also having the coaches has been like the best part, and just having that community and that support.
It's an awesome vibe all weekend, and you know, little progressions here and there, and got to hit my first big double. So yeah, that was a total score.
Definitely made some friends, and like I said, like there's other people that came by themselves too, so that was really great just to see like the courage and bravery from other women to do that too, and just knowing that like we didn't know anybody coming in, but like this community is so supportive and so welcoming anyways. We leave with friends at the end of the day, or at the end of the weekend, so it's been really great.
What up, MotoSport? Woo! Are you zooming in? Come on, babe. Awesome!
Come on, babe. So come on, babe. So come on, babe. I'ma make it harder. I'ma move my body, yeah. 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 Turn the lights up, yeah, turn the lights up. Turn the lights up, yeah, turn the lights up. Ooh, ooh, I'ma move it. You hit me like thunder. Come on, babe, so come on, babe, so come on, babe. Come on, babe, so come on, babe, so come on, babe. I'ma make it harder.
What's really cool about Dirtastic, even if you're showing up solo, is that you're gonna meet someone that could be your new best friend. It's about the feeling. I can't even explain to you the feeling, the energy of the space, but what it does is it just puts a smile on your face. As long as you're open to it and you want to be here, it's gonna be a great time.